Welcome to Corona, California. As a property owner, partner with Ryconn for exceptional property management. We simplify processes, maximize ROI, and eliminate stress, unlocking your property's full potential. Discover the Ryconn difference today. In this video, we will cover these 5 reasons. 1. Understanding property management. 2. Our superior approach to Corona property management. 3. Property management for rental properties. 4. Tenant verification service, ensuring quality tenants. 5. Tenant maintenance responsibilities and the role of property management. Property management companies like Ryconn act as your personal concierge for real estate investments, handling tasks such as tenant placement, rent collection, and maintenance. They manage the day-to-day operations, ensuring smooth sailing in the Corona real estate market. If you own multiple properties, partnering with a property management company is a smart strategy for sustainable property ownership and stress-free experience. Ryconn's superior approach to property management offers comprehensive services, focusing on customer satisfaction and growth. We handle tenant placement, rent collection, maintenance, inspections, and financial reporting, providing peace of mind for property owners. Our local knowledge, strong network of contractors, and excellent rapport with tenants optimize your investment. Choose Ryconn for stress-free property management and experience the unique benefits of working with a company that prioritizes your property. Managing rental properties can be challenging, especially with multiple properties. Ryconn eases these responsibilities by offering expertise in tenant search, rent collection, financial management, and property maintenance. We carefully screen tenants through background checks, ensuring responsible individuals occupy your property. Our efficient rent collection methods and regular financial reports keep you informed of your property's financial health. Lastly, our team coordinates regular maintenance and swift repairs to keep your investment in top shape and tenants satisfied. Choose Ryconn for comprehensive Corona property management services. Ryconn's rigorous tenant verification process is crucial for successful Corona property management. Our comprehensive process includes background checks. We examine potential tenants' past evictions, criminal records, and any red flags indicating risk. Income verification. We assess income stability to ensure consistent rent payments. Credit checks. We evaluate potential tenants' financial reliability based on their credit scores. By thoroughly screening tenants, Ryconn ensures only reliable and responsible individuals occupy your property, minimizing risks and maximizing satisfaction. Ryconn, as your property management partner, ensures tenants fulfill their maintenance responsibilities, such as routine tasks and promptly reporting damages or issues. We clearly communicate these duties to tenants and conduct regular property inspections to verify adherence. Our proactive approach minimizes potential damage to your investment, making your property management journey more rewarding. Trust Ryconn for comprehensive and efficient Corona property management services. Choosing Ryconn for your property management simplifies your journey and maximizes profitability in the vibrant Corona market. Our comprehensive services, meticulous tenant verification, and proactive approach to tenant maintenance responsibilities showcase our dedication to your property's success. At Ryconn, we understand that each property, owner, and tenant is unique, and we tailor our solutions accordingly. Partner with us to experience stress-free property management and unlock your Corona property's full potential. Reach out to Ryconn today and let's succeed together. Call 866-960-8797 or visit ryconn.com.